I was born in a construction vehicle. No one can match my control. Ah! Look here! Who do you think I am? Hayato Congo.
Can't beat me, youngster. Age will always prevail. Kazukyo Danore.
Remain refined at all times. Heavy machinery should always move with grace. Tamanojo Matsubayama.
Only room for one heroine here. Underestimate me and you'll feel it. Kyoko Tachibana.
Oh, yeah! Crush you! Ha ha ha! Adashi Raita!
We're hard at work again today. Out of the way. Move! Move while I'm smashing through. Okay, everyone here? Then let's get to work.
Okay!
You're tough, Gramps.
Listen to me. You must succeed your father. I beg you, young master.
Shut it, Gramps. I left because I didn't want to do just that, so he's dead. Still no reason to change my mind. Whoa, watch it! Easy there, Gramps, okay?
Look, young master. Since the boss died, the Congos have dispersed. All the factories round here have been taken by Shirabe, and we have nothing left.
Is that so? It still has nothing to do with me.
You're wrong! Young master, you are the only son of the construction tiger Danjuro Congo. The skill to drive heavy vehicles sleeps within you. Will you just let it slumber your entire life? Master Hayato,